Holidays, holidays. The seasonal bullshit we have to go through. Everybody comes to our hometown on the holidays. Our people are getting the hell out of our town, and the outsiders, out-of-towners are coming into our town every season. Down in a bed of roses. Dumbasses will always be dumbasses. The amount of road chaos is unbelievable. Wow. Not only I have to deal with the normal routine of my town people, but now I have to deal with all the scumbags that are the outsiders. Wow. Look at this. It's like playing pinball. Everybody's swerving, everybody's passing, everybody's flying, oh my god. So I've met with some old friends from my old group. We were just catching up. Now everybody just left on their way. I'm wondering why the Goldwing people, they put like tons of freaking lights on their bikes. I mean, come on guys, it's a motorcycle, it's not a festival. Chill out with the lights. You can rarely see a Goldwing with less than 2 to 3 strip lights. I don't know what's up with Goldwing guys. I wasn't gonna sit down and argue with you, but thanks. On rare occasions, you get to meet some decent people like this who respect you as a biker. Perhaps they themselves are bikers, so they know how things are going. But like I said, on rare occasions. Yep. So you want to know how to ride a big bagger like this, an 800 plus pounds bike? Well, as you can see, first things first, you need to know how to can't tiptoe such a big bike like this, so you need to make sure your foot is leveled on the ground. That's the first step. Some of these big bikes have shocks and air shocks, hydraulic shocks that you can adjust, you can lower, you can raise based on your height. As you can see, this thing It's not too much heavy. I can level it with 1 foot. Once you get rolling, the weight of the bike kind of fades away and she becomes docile and an easy thing to throw around. So there you have it. Can you hear the dogs? They're going nuts the first time they see the bike. Come here, boy. Come here. Come. Come on. Come on. Hey. Come on. Hey, Michael. Michael. Hey, boy. Hey. 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 Hey, boy. Go. No, 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 no. Go inside. No, 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 no. Oh.